In part 1 we saw that tools have a function and that tools can build things. The things we build can have different functions also. There are different types of tables, for example. Why did we say that you didn't need to know all the tools? Because you're a beginner. You're not going to build very complex things with these tools, at least not with these tools. But you can build complicated things in your first language, can't you? You can build whole cathedrals. You can just pick and choose the tools without even thinking about it. It's instinctive. Except when you need to write a posh sounding letter, and it does get a bit complicated, don't we all? Now tell me something, to humour me. Here you are, with decades of automatic habits, building beautiful cathedrals in your first language. Now, you're trying to work with completely new tools, French tools, new hammers, new screwdrivers, the lot. Even the cathedrals and the tables look different in French. Do you think it would help you if your French teacher actually knew what you built before? I know I would. Otherwise it seems to me that they'd be teaching you a whole new set of tools and tables and cathedrals without knowing the techniques you used before. It seems to be a whole load of unnecessary effort to me. That's why many clever adults come to my good self to learn French. They find it quite handy to have a teacher of French who's also a teacher of English and a native of English, and who knows exactly what tools you come from. I hope it was useful. See you very soon. My name's Chris. Find me at OuiCommunicate.com.